In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a bill inside of FreshBooks. It is super easy to do, so the first thing you need to do is open up FreshBooks like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to expenses here in the left hand menu and go down to bills. Then from here it should be looking something like this. Then you need to go up to create a new bill here in the right hand corner, and this page will be popping up where you can add a vendor. You can add in an issue date, which will automatically be today. Then you can add a due date if you want to do that. And you can add a bill number, which is optional. You can also drag a document image here if you want to do that. But when you're done with that, you need to go down to add a line and then add your product that you have on your bill. Then from here, you need to select a category that is suitable for this specific product. You can also add rates. I'm just gonna click $10. You can also add a tax if you want to do that. Then from here you can add in the quantity and you can see the total line. Then from here you can add a new line if you have several products that you have on your bill. But if you accidentally click on it, you can also go over here and delete it. Then from here you can see the subtotal, you can see the taxes and the grand total of the bill. Then from here you simply need to click save. And as you can see here, the bill has been saved, where you can also click on view bill. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!